Well, right now, there is a serious situation happening in Frederick County, Maryland, and it shows just how big of an impact the environment can have on all of our lives. So get this, synthetic chemicals have contaminated the water at 8 different schools. Now, students are drinking bottled water, and the school district is trying to figure out what to do next. Our Lionel Donovan is in Frederick County tonight with an update.
Frederick County Public Schools tested the 9 buildings that it manages and discovered that 8 of them have contaminated drinking water. Now it's getting to work to keep its kids safe. Many students in Frederick County had to adjust to a new status quo when they began the school year. Dry drinking fountains. The change stems from a concerning discovery by Frederick County Public Schools. 8 of their 9 school buildings showed elevated levels of PFAS, or forever chemicals. PFAS are man-made chemicals that have been used in industry and consumer products. The schools are fed by nearby wells, the only water source for most of the buildings.
Starting in the fall of 2025, 2 of our current schools that are fed by wells will no longer be because they'll be on a municipal water source. But the other ones don't have an option in close proximity.
The district tested the drinking water in April after the Environmental Protection Agency announced new federal regulations around acceptable PFAS chemical levels. Once the results came in, the district says it immediately got to work.
Generally speaking, what we were able to do was shut off access to our drinking water fountains for students and staff.
In the meantime, the district is providing bottled water for students, and purified drinking water is available in water coolers. PFAS chemicals can pose a health risk if ingested. The standards don't require compliance until 2029, but the school district says in situations like this, it's better to be proactive.
We thought it was prudent to test as soon as possible because it would be better to know about a problem today as opposed to sitting and waiting for a couple of years.
Now the district says at this point there's no long-term solution, but it will be working with state and local agencies to figure out its next steps before the new regulations come into effect. From Frederick, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.